Best neighborhood for young professionals in Cincinnati. Many locals will say Oakley. Stick around and I'll tell you why. Your favorite Cincinnati real estate agent, and today we're gonna dive into why Oakley is an amazing place to explore. We're gonna show you restaurants, bars, coffee shop, and especially focus on what's happening in real estate world in Oakley today. So first, let's put Oakley on the map. It is super conveniently located just minutes from downtown Cincinnati, about 6 miles east of downtown Cincinnati, which makes this location golden and gives you this urban suburban feeling to it. Welcome to Foundry Park, created for those with active lifestyle. This community features 106 homes with a gathering space around fire pits and green space. Let's dive into Foundry Park and its amazing location. It is located just minutes away from Factory 52, Oakley Square, and Oakley Station. What you like about Foundry Park? What excites you? Where you came from and why did you move here?
It's close to where I work. It's close to so many amenities. I just walked to Fresh Market and got something to eat.
Nice.
Personable and nice, but the real winner is that it's close to so much. We go to Factory 52 a number of times.
Nice. And tax abatement, that's incentive.
Tax abatement is an incentive.
Yeah.
I can't speak specifically to it, but we're excited about that.
Yeah, super excited saving money on taxes.
Is a big deal.
Yeah, it's a big deal.
It's a huge deal.
Yeah, so thank you. Thank you for being a good sport. Enjoy.
Thank you very much. All right, y'all have a good day. Okay.
What's the profile of people, like empty nesters? You don't see a lot of kids here probably, right?
No, I would say average demographic is probably 54-ish.
Yeah.
One of our neighbors, I think she's like 24, but
wow.
for the majority of it,
Yeah.
it's a lot of that have kids.
That's impressive to live here at 24 because it's not cheap.
I think what other ones are around here too. It's very centrally located here. That's, I think, one of the things that was very attractive when we were first relocating to Cincinnati.
That's awesome.
Yeah,
well, thank you.
Absolutely.
Thank you for being a good sport.
Yeah.
It's called Cincinnati Live if you want to watch.
Absolutely. I'll check it out.
We'll feature you in like a couple weeks.
Great.
Then you'll be on Cincinnati Live.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Hope y'all have a wonderful, enjoy the nice weather.
So let's take you inside so you can get a feeling of one of these most amazing Homearama 2025 feature homes. So come follow me. This is so nice. My favorite thing about Foundry Park, you can enjoy rooftop. So how much does it take to enjoy this lifestyle? Well, the entry-level house price in Oakley is about $380,000, but to enjoy rooftop view in this brand new community, Foundry Park, we're starting at $1.5 million. I know it's steep, I know it's high, but this community features tax abatement, which means you're gonna save thousands and thousands of dollars on property taxes for 15 years. So don't have the price tag scare you. So let's go inside. Well, this is what third floor, yes, you heard me, third floor looks like. Your family room is on the third floor. A lot of steps to get here, but don't worry about it because we do have elevator right there. We're on the second floor. What's so amazing? You have your little office space. There are 2 bedrooms and each bedroom has the private suite. Absolutely gorgeous. So this is number 1 and this is bedroom number 2, and this bedroom is the master suite. So let's see what the master suite, master bathroom looks like. I love this. Look at the angles. And now we're gonna go to the main floor and see what the main floor of this beautiful home looks like. Well, I guess we have another family room gathering space connected right to the kitchen. Perfect bar. And this is my kitchen area with the eating space. Don't have enough bedrooms? Well, we have one more to see, and it's on the bottom floor, so let's go check it out. My favorite thing, or this staircase. I absolutely positively love the staircase. And this is the guest bedroom with a private suite. And that wraps it up. So let's wrap it up. Oakley is an amazing neighborhood to live in if you're looking for lifestyle, character, and convenience. Top 3 reasons people live in Oakley. Walkability. It is amazing walkable neighborhood. You can walk to bars, restaurants, shopping. Easy access to highway and very close to downtown. And it's an amazing neighborhood that offers high diversity. Thank you for watching our Cincinnati Live channel. Hope you enjoyed. So if you did, click like button below and help us understand what is it that you're looking for in your next home. I would love to hear. Until next time, I'm Monica Dearso, your favorite Cincinnati realtor. Let's make it happen.